So you might be wondering, why in the heck am I standing in front of a plywood wall? Well, what I want to show you is that we get doors and things like this installed, and they often have to go in fairly early on the project. We want to make sure they don't get damaged. So let's jump outside and see what it looks like from the outside. All right, so here we are outside, and you can see the plywood through the window of the door, but the door is protected from the inside, which is where we've got the majority of the work happening. Once we start to have trades working on the outside of the house, we'll get the outside buttoned up and locked up as well, because we want to make sure that this door looks as good when our clients move in as it does today. Anyways, that's one of the things many things that we do to protect our client's property throughout the construction process. Just one of many, and there are a lot. Anyways, if you would like to learn more about who we are, what we do, what we care about, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.